Hey there, future job hunters. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to create a resume on Google Docs in 2025. With the job market evolving faster than ever, having a polished resume is key to standing out. Whether you're a fresh graduate or switching careers, Google Docs makes this process simple, free, and accessible from any device. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up Google Docs. If you don't have a Google account, sign up. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, head to the Template Gallery by clicking on the Template Gallery option in the top menu. Here, you'll find a variety of resume templates tailored for different professions. For 2025, Google has updated their templates with modern designs, including AI-suggested sections to make your resume ATS-friendly. Select a template that suits your style, maybe the professional or creative one, and click Use this template. Now, it's time to customize. Start by replacing the placeholder text with your personal details. Begin with your contact information at the top: full name, phone number, email, and LinkedIn profile if you have one. Next, add a professional summary section. This is a short paragraph highlighting your key skills and career goals. Keep it concise, around 3 to 5 sentences. Then, move on to your work experience. List your jobs in reverse chronological order, using bullet points to describe your responsibilities and achievements. For example, increased sales by 20% through targeted marketing campaigns. Don't forget to include your education, skills, and any certifications. Formatting is crucial for a clean look. Use headings for sections, bold key terms, and adjust fonts to something professional like Arial or Calibri. Google Docs' built-in tools, like spellcheck and suggestions, will help you polish it up. Once you're happy, proofread for any errors. Always get a second pair of eyes if possible. Finally, save your document by clicking File, and then Download as a PDF. This ensures your resume looks great on any device. And there you have it, a professional resume ready to impress recruiters in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more career tips, and drop a comment below with your resume success stories. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.